Hi everybody! Today we're going to show you how easy it is to install the Smart Ink compatible cartridge replacement for HP 902 XL. Let's open the box. Inside we have gloves, a user guide, and, of course, cartridges. Before installation, remove any packaging. Hold the cartridge upside down for 1 to 2 minutes. This helps to stabilize the pressure inside the cartridge and prevent ink from leaking. Now let's go ahead and put our gloves on, just in case. Then remove the orange protective cap. Open the printer's top cover and wait until the carriage stops moving. Install the cartridges in the printer. Do not touch the chip during the installation. If the cartridge doesn't seem to fit the slot, remove it from the carriage. Gently bend the tab away from the cartridge and reinstall it. Press OK to clear the non-HP ink message. Now let's check how it prints. And that's it. It only takes a few minutes, but I'll save you a lot of money each time you print. Stay smart with Smart Ink. To get more smart printing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit smartink.pro.